I'm Megan with WTI. There's nothing more versatile than a staple white blouse in your wardrobe. It is essential. I just recently went on vacation and I brought this gorgeous blouse with me, and it served me in so many different situations. I could wear it with tights and runners dressing it down. I could wear it with shorts by tying it at the waist, and I could also use it as a cover-up. This blouse has a gorgeous linen feel to it. I love that you can roll the sleeves up and make them a little more casual and pin them with the button, or you can keep them down. It is really well made, and while it can wrinkle a little bit, it is really easy and quick to steam out. I just feel fabulous every time I wear this blouse. I love it so much, and I love that I can wear it with everything. I think every woman needs a staple blouse like this one in their wardrobe that goes with everything. And that's my point of view.